Hello, nature enthusiasts. Get ready to discover some fun animal facts before your next safari.
Axolotls are neotenic, retaining their aquatic juvenile features throughout their entire lives. They possess the remarkable ability to regrow body parts, showcasing unparalleled regenerative powers. With feathery external gills, axolotls sport a unique appearance reminiscent of underwater dragons. Unlike typical amphibians, axolotls reach sexual maturity without undergoing metamorphosis, staying aquatic. Axolotls come in various colors, from albino and golden to wild types, adding vibrancy to aquariums. These amphibians utilize both eyes and specialized sensors on their skin for impressive sensory perception. Native to Mexico, axolotls were considered sacred by the Aztecs and face conservation challenges today. Axolotls have a diverse diet, including small fish, worms, and even smaller axolotls. Research on axolotls contributes to understanding tissue regeneration, holding potential for medical advancements. Axolotls have become internet sensations, captivating global audiences with their adorable and unique charm.
Snow leopards are the elusive ghost cats of the Himalayas, perfectly adapted to their high-altitude, cold environments. Their spotted coat acts as camouflage among rocky terrains, aiding them in stealthy hunting. Snow leopards use their long tails as balance masters and makeshift scarves to cover their faces in extreme cold. Solitary creatures, snow leopards have vast territories and only come together for mating purposes. These majestic cats showcase incredible agility, making leaps of up to 50 feet across rugged landscapes. Snow leopards are well camouflaged, earning their nickname ghost cats due to their elusive nature. Thick, fur-covered paws act as natural snowshoes, enabling silent movement across snowy landscapes. With powerful jaws and sharp teeth, snow leopards can take down prey much larger than themselves. Despite their solitary reputation, snow leopards are known for vocalizations, including eerie yowls and meows. Conservation efforts are crucial as snow leopards face threats like poaching and habitat loss, with a population of only 4,000 to 6,500 left in the wild. Orcas, or killer whales, are the largest members of the dolphin family, known for their striking black and white coloration. Living in complex social structures called pods, orcas exhibit unique dialects of vocalizations within their specific communities. Powerful predators, orcas hunt a variety of marine animals, showcasing their versatility in prey preferences. Different orca populations display unique hunting techniques and cultural behaviors, highlighting their diversity. Known for acrobatic displays, orcas captivate with impressive leaps, flips, and tail slaps in the wild. Some orcas in colder regions exhibit unique feeding behaviors, such as wave washing, to knock seals off ice floes. Female orcas, or matriarchs, play a central role in pod leadership and passing down knowledge through generations. Orcas are found in oceans worldwide, with distinct ecotypes adapted to different environments and prey. Despite their killer reputation, orcas are highly intelligent and are even capable of imitating human sounds. Conservation efforts are crucial as orcas face threats like habitat degradation, pollution, and disturbance from human activities. Ponies are not baby horses. They are a distinct small horse breed, often known for their adorable size. Known for their sturdy build, ponies have a unique ability to carry heavy loads relative to their size. Some pony breeds, like the Shetland pony, originated from the Shetland Isles and adapted to harsh conditions. Ponies exhibit a variety of coat colours and patterns, adding to their visual diversity. Unlike horses, ponies tend to have thicker manes and tails, often requiring less grooming. Certain pony breeds, like the Icelandic pony, have additional gaits beyond the typical walk, trot, and canter. Ponies are often praised for their intelligence, making them excellent partners in various equestrian activities. Due to their compact size, ponies are popular choices for therapeutic riding programs. The term pony is not limited to a specific height, but generally refers to small horse breeds. Ponies have a longer lifespan than larger horses, often living well into their 30s if properly cared for. Honeybees communicate through intricate dances, conveying information about food sources and hive locations to fellow bees. Within a hive, there's a complex social structure, including the queen, worker bees, and drones, each with specific roles and responsibilities. Bees construct hexagonal honeycomb cells with incredible precision, optimizing space and creating a strong structure for honey storage. Bees use ultraviolet patterns on flowers to navigate, recognizing and memorizing specific patterns to find nectar and pollen. Honeybees play a crucial role in pollination, facilitating the reproduction of many flowering plants, including fruits and vegetables. Worker bees tirelessly forage for nectar, flying up to 5 miles from the hive and visiting hundreds of flowers in a single trip. The life cycle of a honeybee involves distinct stages, egg, larva, pupa, and adult, that occur with remarkable precision and timing. Bees perform a unique waggle dance to communicate the distance and direction of a food source, allowing hive mates to locate the site. Bees possess an exceptional ability to navigate using the sun's position, polarized light, and their internal biological clock. Honeybees form a winter cluster in colder months, huddling together to generate warmth and ensure the survival of the colony until spring. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour in short bursts covering distances of around 500 meters. Their distinctive black tear marks under their eyes help reflect the sun's glare and improve their focus on prey during hunts. Cheetahs have non-retractable claws, acting more like cleats to provide better traction during high-speed chases. Cheetahs are excellent swimmers, but are typically not fond of water. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs purr like domestic cats, but they cannot roar. Cubs have a distinctive fluffy mane called a mantle on their backs to mimic the appearance of a honey badger and deter predators. Cheetahs are primarily solitary animals, with males forming small groups called coalitions, usually consisting of brothers. Cheetahs have a high hunting success rate, but they may lose their kills to stronger predators like lions and hyenas. The cheetah's slender body and lightweight build contribute to its incredible speed. Cheetah populations are currently vulnerable, facing threats from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores on Earth, with males weighing up to 1,500 pounds. Their thick, insulating fur and layer of blubber help them survive in the frigid Arctic temperatures. Polar bears have a remarkable sense of smell, which they use to detect prey from miles away. Despite their massive size, polar bears are excellent hunters, relying primarily on seals for their diet. They are superb swimmers, capable of covering long distances in search of food, often swimming for days at a time. These apex predators have no natural enemies and are at the top of the Arctic food chain. Climate change poses a significant threat to polar bears as melting sea ice limits their hunting grounds and food sources. Polar bears spend much of their lives on sea ice, using it as a platform to hunt seals and travel vast distances. Female polar bears build maternity dens in the snow to give birth and raise their cubs during the winter months. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of polar bears as they face increasing challenges in a rapidly changing Arctic environment. Komodo dragons can grow up to 10 feet in length, making them the largest lizards globally. They have a keen sense of smell, detecting carrion from up to 5 kilometers away. Despite their fearsome reputation, Komodo dragons are skilled swimmers. These apex predators have venomous saliva, which helps in subduing their prey. Komodo dragons are capable of consuming prey as large as water buffalo and deer. Females can reproduce through parthenogenesis, laying eggs without mating. Their bite is powerful, delivering a lethal combination of bacteria and venom. Komodo dragons possess a unique serrated tooth structure, aiding in tearing flesh. Hatchlings spend much of their early lives in trees to avoid being eaten by adult dragons. Conservation efforts are crucial as Komodo dragons are classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss and human encroachment. Hippos are considered one of the most aggressive and dangerous animals in Africa. Despite their bulk, hippos can run at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour over short distances. Hippos spend most of their day submerged in water to keep cool and protect their sensitive skin from the sun. They have special glands that secrete an oily red substance, often mistaken for blood, which acts as a natural sunscreen. Contrary to their appearance, hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. Hippos communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, honks, and roars. Hippos are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but they will occasionally eat other plants and fruits. The name hippopotamus comes from the Greek words for river horse. These semi-aquatic mammals have webbed feet and can close their nostrils and ears to keep water out while submerged. Despite their size, hippos are surprisingly agile and can easily navigate through water obstacles like submerged trees and rocks. Hyenas are not just scavengers, they are skilled hunters, often working together in groups to bring down large prey like wildebeests and zebras. Female hyenas are larger and more dominant than males, possessing higher levels of testosterone, which also contributes to their deeper vocalizations. They have one of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones with ease. Hyenas communicate through a range of vocalizations, including the iconic laughter, which signals excitement or submission. Their front legs are longer than their hind legs, giving them a distinctive sloping appearance. Contrary to popular belief, hyenas are not related to dogs or cats, but belong to their own family, Hyenidae. They have a highly social structure within their clans, led by a dominant female known as the matriarch. Hyenas have a strong sense of smell, allowing them to detect carcasses from miles away. Hyenas play a crucial role in the ecosystem by scavenging and controlling populations of sick or weak animals. Despite their reputation as villains, hyenas are intelligent and adaptable predators essential for maintaining the balance of African savanna ecosystems. Rhinoceros are large herbivores known for their distinctive horns made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. There are 2 species of African rhinos, black and white, and 3 species of Asian rhinos, Indian, Javan, and Sumatran. Rhinos have poor eyesight, but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. They are solitary animals, except for mothers with their calves and during mating. Rhinos are known to wallow in mud to cool down and protect their skin from insects. The horn of a rhinoceros is not attached to its skull, but is composed of tightly packed hair-like fibers. Rhinos communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, snorts, and honks. White rhinos have a wide, square-shaped mouth adapted for grazing, while black rhinos have a hooked upper lip suited for browsing on trees and shrubs. Rhinoceros populations are critically endangered due to poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent creatures from extinction. From their stealthy hunting techniques to their crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, explore the captivating world of these elusive felines. Jaguars are the largest big cats in the Americas. Their powerful jaws can crush skulls with a single bite. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and often hunt in water. These elusive cats are solitary creatures, except during mating season. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of all big cats relative to their size. Their rosette-patterned coats help camouflage them in dense forests. Jaguars play a crucial role in regulating prey populations in their ecosystems. These apex predators have a diverse diet, including deer, capybaras, and even caimans. Jaguars are skilled climbers and often ambush their prey from trees. Despite being formidable hunters, jaguars are vulnerable to habitat loss and poaching. Meet Bruxia nana, a remarkable species of chameleon discovered right here in Madagascar. At just over 13.5 millimeters in length, this tiny reptile holds the title of the world's smallest chameleon. Despite its diminutive size, Bruxia nana is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the leaf litter of the forest floor. Bruxia nana may be small, but it boasts some incredible adaptations that help it thrive in its environment. Its miniature size allows it to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease, while its specialized feet provide exceptional grip on the forest floor. One of the most fascinating features of Bruxia nana is its ability to change color, much like its larger chameleon relatives. This adaptive camouflage helps it blend in with its surroundings and avoid detection by predators. Life in the forest can be challenging, but Bruxia nana has adapted to its environment in remarkable ways. As a sit-and-wait predator, it patiently waits among the leaf litter for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. Despite its small size, Bruxia nana plays a vital role in the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and contributing to the balance of the forest ecosystem. Unfortunately, Bruxia nana and its habitat are under threat from deforestation, habitat destruction, and climate change. As human activities continue to encroach on its fragile ecosystem, this tiny chameleon's future hangs in the balance. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the forests of Madagascar and ensure a brighter future for Bruchisia nana and countless other species. As we conclude our journey into the miniature world of Bruchisia nana, let's remember the importance of preserving the biodiversity of our planet. By working together to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats, we can ensure a future where they continue to thrive for generations to come. Learn about its miniature size, incredible flight abilities, feeding habits, and the importance of conservation efforts. The bee hummingbird, native to Cuba, holds the title of the world's smallest bird, measuring merely 5 centimeters, 2 inches, in length. Weighing just 2 grams, it's lighter than a US penny or a paperclip. Its diet primarily consists of nectar from flowers, which it extracts using its long, specialized bill and tongue. Remarkably agile, it can hover mid-air, fly backward, and even upside down, achieving up to 80 wing beats per second. During breeding season, females build tiny cup-shaped nests using soft materials like plant down and spider silk, laying eggs barely the size of peas. Produces surprisingly loud chirps and calls, particularly during territorial disputes or interactions with other birds. Despite its size, it displays aggressive behavior, fiercely defending its feeding and nesting territories from other birds and insects. Males perform intricate aerial displays, flying in a U-shaped pattern and emitting distinctive chirping sounds to attract mates. Threatened by habitat loss and pesticide use, conservation efforts are crucial to protect this remarkable species. Revered in Cuban culture as a symbol of freedom and endurance, the bee hummingbird remains a source of national pride and conservation focus. Crocodiles have remained virtually unchanged for over 200 million years, making them living fossils. Despite their intimidating appearance, crocodiles are surprisingly agile and can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on land. Crocodiles have extremely powerful jaws that can exert pressure of over 3,700 pounds per square inch, making them one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. These apex predators have a complex social structure, displaying both territorial behavior and maternal care. Crocodiles have a unique form of temperature-dependent sex determination, meaning the incubation temperature of their eggs determines the sex of the offspring. Some species of crocodiles, like the Nile crocodile, are known to undertake impressive migrations over vast distances. Despite being primarily aquatic, crocodiles can also survive extended periods on land, aided by their ability to conserve energy and water. Crocodiles play a crucial role in their ecosystems as top predators, helping to control populations of prey species and shaping the balance of their habitats. These ancient reptiles have a remarkable ability to go without food for extended periods, sometimes surviving several months without eating. Crocodiles have an exceptional sense of hearing and can communicate with each other using a range of vocalizations, grunts, hisses, and bellows. Discover the irresistible charm and endearing antics of these gentle giants. Baby elephants, or calves, weigh around 200 pounds at birth and stand about 3 feet tall. They learn essential survival skills from their family, including how to use their trunks and communicate. Calves are often the center of attention in the herd, receiving constant care and protection from the adults. They have a playful nature, engaging in games such as trunk wrestling and splashing in water. Baby elephants depend heavily on their mother's milk for the first few years of life. They develop close bonds with their siblings and other young members of the herd through social interactions. Calvers are quick learners, observing and imitating adult behaviors from a young age. Despite their initial clumsiness, baby elephants can be surprisingly agile and coordinated. They possess a natural curiosity, exploring their surroundings under the watchful eyes of the herd. Like human infants, baby elephants often seek comfort and reassurance from their family members, especially their mothers. Vibrant colors. Red-eyed tree frogs are known for their vibrant colors, including green body with blue and yellow stripes on their sides, and of course, their striking red eyes. This colorful appearance serves as a warning to predators. Habitat. They are native to the tropical rainforests of Central America, including areas in Mexico, Costa Rica, Panama, and Nicaragua. They are typically found near rivers, ponds, and other bodies of water. Nocturnal lifestyle. These frogs are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. During the day, they hide in foliage to avoid predators and conserve moisture. Diet red-eyed tree frogs are insectivores, feeding mainly on insects such as crickets, flies, moths, and beetles. They use their long, sticky tongues to catch prey. Reproduction. Breeding typically occurs during the rainy season. Females lay their eggs on leaves above water bodies, such as ponds or pools, and when the eggs hatch, the tadpoles drop into the water below. Egg protection. After laying eggs, the male red-eyed tree frog guards them from predators. He may also periodically moisten the eggs with water to prevent them from drying out. Adaptations for survival. These frogs have several adaptations for survival, including sticky pads on their toes that help them climb and grip onto vegetation, and large, bulging eyes that provide excellent vision at night. Toxicity. While not as toxic as some other frog species, Red-eyed tree frogs do produce toxins in their skin secretions as a defense mechanism against predators. However, they are not harmful to humans. Conservation status. Red-eyed tree frogs are not currently considered endangered, but they face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their natural habitats. Cultural significance. These frogs are iconic symbols of rainforests and are often featured in artwork, literature, and popular media as representatives of tropical ecosystems. They are also popular as pets in the exotic pet trade, although captive breeding is encouraged to reduce pressure on wild populations. Ecological engineers. Earthworms are crucial for soil health, acting as ecological engineers by improving soil structure, aeration, and drainage through their burrowing activities. Vermicomposting earthworms play a vital role in the decomposition process, breaking down organic matter like dead leaves and plant material into nutrient-rich castings, which are beneficial for soil fertility and plant growth. Segmented bodies earthworms have segmented bodies, typically consisting of between 100 to 150 segments, each containing muscles, nerves, and other organs. Herbivores earthworms are detritivores, primarily feeding on decaying organic matter, such as dead leaves and plant debris, although some species may also consume soil. Reproduction. Earthworms are hermaphrodites, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. However, they still require mating with another worm to reproduce. During mating, two earthworms exchange sperm, which fertilize each other's eggs. Regeneration. Earthworms have remarkable regenerative abilities. If a part of their body is severed, they can often regenerate the lost segment, provided certain conditions are met. Sensitivity to environment. Earthworms are highly sensitive to environmental conditions, such as temperature, moisture levels, and soil pH. Changes in these factors can significantly impact their activity and survival. Burrowing depths. Earthworms can burrow to impressive depths in the soil, with some species capable of digging tunnels several meters deep. These burrows facilitate water infiltration and nutrient cycling in the soil. Biodiversity indicator. Earthworms are considered indicators of soil health and biodiversity. Their presence and abundance can reflect the overall ecological condition of an ecosystem. Beneficial for agriculture. Earthworms provide numerous benefits to agriculture, including improved soil fertility, enhanced nutrient cycling, and increased crop yields. Their activities contribute to sustainable farming practices and ecosystem resilience.
We will embark on a journey into the wilderness to discover the awe-inspiring nature of these magnificent creatures. From the dense forests of North America to the rugged landscapes of Europe and Asia, brown bears reign supreme as true symbols of wild beauty and strength. Join us as we unveil the secrets of these formidable giants and witness firsthand the wonder and majesty of the brown bear. Fact number 1. Largest land carnivore. The brown bear, Ursus arctos, is one of the largest land carnivores, with some males reaching weights of over 1,000 kilograms equivalent to 2,200 pounds. Fact number 2. hibernation masters. Brown bears are well known for their hibernation habits. During winter, they enter a state of dormancy, lowering their body temperature and metabolism to conserve energy. They can survive for months without eating, drinking, urinating, or defecating. Fact number 3. Omnivorous appetite. While classified as carnivores, brown bears are actually omnivores, meaning they have a diet consisting of both plant and animal matter. They feed on berries, nuts, roots, insects, fish, and occasionally larger prey like deer. Fact number 4. Unique fur coloration. Despite the name brown bear, their fur can vary widely in color, ranging from shades of brown to almost black. Some populations, like the Kodiak bear, exhibit a unique reddish-brown coloration. Fact number 5. Excellent swimmers. Brown bears are strong swimmers and are often found near rivers and lakes where they hunt for fish, such as salmon. They have been observed swimming for long distances across bodies of water. Fact number 6. Social creatures. While often portrayed as solitary animals, brown bears can exhibit social behavior, especially during salmon runs or when feeding on concentrated food sources. They may tolerate each other's presence and even share food. Fact number 7. Powerful predators. Despite their lumbering appearance, brown bears are powerful predators and have been known to take down large prey such as moose and bison. However, they are also scavengers and will readily feed on carrion. Fact number 8. Excellent sense of smell. Brown bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which they use to locate food over long distances. Their sense of smell is estimated to be 7 times better than that of a bloodhound. Fact number 9. Impressive adaptations. Brown bears have several adaptations that help them survive in their habitats, including large claws for digging, powerful jaws for crushing bones, and a keen sense of hearing and sight. Fact number 10. Cultural significance. Brown bears have been revered and feared by humans for millennia and feature prominently in the folklore and mythology of many cultures, including Native American tribes, where they are often depicted as powerful and spiritual creatures. As our journey comes to an end, we're left with a profound appreciation for the incredible resilience and adaptability of brown bears. From their impressive hunting skills to their complex social interactions, these creatures continue to captivate and inspire us. Let us remember to cherish and protect the natural habitats that these majestic giants call home, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at the splendor of the brown bear. Thank you for joining us on this adventure into the heart of bear country. Until next time, stay wild. These tiny insects, despite their small size, exhibit a remarkable array of behaviors and adaptations that have captured the fascination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll uncover 10 amazing facts about ants that shed light on their complex social structures, extraordinary strength, and vital ecological roles. Join us as we delve into the fascinating lives of these industrious creatures and gain a deeper understanding of their significance in the natural world. Fact number 1. Super-organized colonies. Ant colonies are highly organized societies with specific roles for each member, including workers, soldiers, and the queen. Fact number 2. Incredible strength. Despite their small size, ants are incredibly strong. They can carry objects up to 50 times their own body weight. Fact number 3. Chemical communication. Ants communicate primarily through chemical signals called pheromones, which they use to navigate marked trails and identify members of their colony. Fact number 4. Complex social structures. Ants exhibit intricate social structures, with some species forming colonies of millions of individuals working together for the collective good. Fact number 5. Farming ants. Certain species of ants are known as farmers. They cultivate fungus gardens by collecting leaves and using them to cultivate fungi, which they then consume as food. Fact number 6. Teamwork and cooperation. Ants are masters of teamwork and cooperation. They work together to solve problems, build elaborate nests, and defend their territory. Fact number 7. Long lifespan. Queens of some ant species can live for several years, while worker ants typically have shorter lifespans ranging from a few months to a few years, depending on the species. Fact number 8. Varied ants have diverse diets, ranging from carnivorous species that hunt other insects to omnivorous species that scavenge for food scraps and even herbivorous species that feed on nectar and plant sap. Fact number 9. Environmental engineers. Ants play a crucial role in their ecosystems as environmental engineers. They aerate the soil, disperse seeds, and control pest populations. Fact number 10. Global distribution. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in diverse habitats ranging from tropical rainforests to deserts and even urban environments. From their sophisticated communication methods to their vital contributions to ecosystem health, ants truly exemplify the wonders of the natural world. As we conclude our journey through the world of ants, we are left with a newfound appreciation for these remarkable insects and the intricate web of life in which they play a crucial role. Let us continue to marvel at the ingenuity and resilience of ants and strive to protect and preserve their habitats for generations to come.
With over 200 species worldwide, they glide gracefully through the ocean, equipped with venomous spines and remarkable camouflage. Stingrays possess venomous spines on their tails, delivering a painful sting when threatened. With over 200 species worldwide, stingrays vary greatly in size and habitat preferences. Their flattened bodies and wide pectoral fins enable them to gracefully glide through water. Stingrays exhibit excellent camouflage, blending seamlessly with sandy ocean floors. Special electroreceptors called ampullae of Lorenzini allow them to detect prey's electrical signals. Most stingrays are viviparous, giving birth to fully formed pups rather than laying eggs. Stingrays play a vital role in marine ecosystems, both as predators and prey. Threatened by habitat destruction and overfishing, many species require conservation efforts. Stingrays have cultural significance, featuring in folklore, art, and cuisine worldwide. Elaborate mating rituals and courtship behaviors are observed in some stingray species. In conclusion, stingrays stand as fascinating inhabitants of our oceans, contributing to the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Through conservation efforts and continued research, we can ensure the preservation of these captivating creatures for generations to come.
Eagles, majestic and powerful birds of prey, have captured the fascination of humans for centuries with their impressive characteristics and behaviors. From their remarkable vision to their formidable hunting skills, eagles hold a significant place in various cultures and ecosystems worldwide. Exploring these fascinating creatures reveals a world of remarkable adaptations and behaviors that set them apart as apex predators in their habitats. Eagles can see up to 8 times farther than humans. Bald eagles are not actually bald. Their name comes from an Old English word meaning white head. Eagles mate for life and often perform spectacular aerial displays together. Golden eagles have been known to hunt animals as large as deer. Eagles have a specialized beak and talons designed for catching and tearing prey. Bald eagles build some of the largest nests in the animal kingdom, reaching up to 13 feet deep and weighing over a ton. Eagles are powerful flyers, reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Golden eagles have been trained for hunting by nomadic tribes for thousands of years. Eagles have excellent eyesight and can spot prey from incredibly high altitudes. The Philippine eagle is one of the rarest and largest eagles in the world, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. In conclusion, eagles stand as iconic symbols of strength, freedom, and resilience across diverse cultures and landscapes. Their unique adaptations, predatory prowess, and remarkable behaviors continue to captivate and inspire admiration among people worldwide. As guardians of their ecosystems, eagles play crucial roles in maintaining ecological balance, underscoring the importance of conserving these magnificent birds for generations to come. From their silent flight to their powerful hunting abilities, prepare to be amazed by the wonders of owl biology and behavior. Owls are fascinating creatures. Here are the top 10 facts about them. Number 1. Silent flight. Owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly silently, which helps them sneak up on prey without being heard. Number 2. Nocturnal hunters. Most owls are nocturnal, meaning they are primarily active at night. Their exceptional night vision and acute hearing make them formidable hunters in the dark. Number 3. Wide range of species. There are around 200 species of owls, found on every continent except Antarctica. They vary greatly in size, habitat, and behavior. Number 4. Binocular vision owls have forward-facing eyes, giving them binocular vision similar to humans. This helps them accurately judge distances when hunting. Number 5. Flexible neck owls can rotate their necks up to 270 degrees in either direction, allowing them to look behind without moving their bodies. Number 6. Powerful talons owls have strong, sharp talons that they use to grasp and kill prey. These talons can exert a crushing force, enabling them to tackle prey larger than themselves. Number 7. Varied diets. While many owls primarily feed on small mammals like mice and rats, their diet can also include birds, insects, fish, and even other owls. Number 8. Egg-laying adaptations. Owls typically lay their eggs in nests, often in tree hollows or abandoned nests of other birds. They are known for their distinctive calls, which they use to communicate with mates and defend their territories. Number 9. Camouflage. Many owl species have cryptic plumage patterns that help them blend into their surroundings, providing excellent camouflage while they roost during the day. Number 10. Cultural symbolism. Owls have been featured in various cultures and mythologies throughout history. They are often associated with wisdom, intelligence, and mystery in many societies, from ancient Greece to Native American traditions. We delve into the mesmerizing realm of snakes, enigmatic reptiles that have intrigued and captivated humanity for centuries. Snakes, with their sleek bodies and mesmerizing movements, are apex predators that regulate prey populations, keeping ecosystems in check. There are over 3,000 species of snakes in the world, belonging to more than 20 families. The danger posed by snakes varies greatly depending on factors such as species, size, venom potency, and the circumstances of encounter. They are majorly divided into 3 categories. Number 1. Venomous snakes. Venomous snakes inject venom through their bites, which can cause various effects ranging from mild discomfort to severe tissue damage, organ failure, and even death in some cases. Number 2. Non-venomous snakes. While non-venomous snakes lack venom, they can still deliver painful bites, and some may carry bacteria that can cause infections. Number 3. Constrictors. Large constrictor snakes like pythons and anacondas can be dangerous due to their ability to suffocate prey by wrapping around them and exerting pressure. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in various habitats, from deserts to rainforests, and from sea level to high mountain regions. Through their voracious appetite for rodents, insects, and small mammals, snakes serve as nature's pest control, preventing overpopulation and preserving the health of ecosystems. Snake bites can be a serious medical emergency depending on the snake species, the amount of venom injected, and the location of the bite on the body. Snakes may bite for several reasons, depending on the species and the circumstances of the encounter. Defense, protection of territory, or young mistaken identity. Hunger, illness, or injury. Handling stress. The biting force of a snake can vary widely depending on the species. Generally, larger snakes with larger heads and stronger jaw muscles will have more powerful bites. For example, constrictors such as pythons and boas do not possess venom but instead use their muscular bodies to squeeze and suffocate their prey. In contrast, venomous snakes like vipers and cobras have specialized fangs and venom glands to inject venom into their prey or as a defense mechanism. Some of the larger constrictors like pythons and anacondas are capable of delivering bites with considerable force, aided by their large size and muscular bodies. The exact number of deaths due to snake bites worldwide can vary from year to year and region to region. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, it is estimated that there are between 81,000 and 138,000 deaths annually from snake bites globally. Here are some general steps to take if someone is bitten by a snake. Stay calm. Panicking can increase heart rate and spread venom faster through the body. Keep the person still. Movement can increase the spread of venom. Encourage the person to lie down with the bite area lower than the heart if possible. Remove jewelry and tight clothing. Swelling may occur, so it's essential to remove anything that could constrict blood flow. Clean the bite area. Gently clean the bite with soap and water if available. Do not attempt to suck out venom. This is ineffective and can cause further damage to the wound. Keep the bite immobilized. Use a splint or bandage to immobilize the bitten limb if possible. Seek medical help immediately. Call emergency services or transport the person to the nearest medical facility as soon as possible. Anti-venom treatment may be necessary depending on the type of snake and severity of the bite. Preventing snake bites requires awareness, caution, and understanding of snake behavior. Here are some tips to help prevent snake bites. Be vigilant when hiking, camping, or working in areas where snakes are known to inhabit. When in snake-prone areas, wear long pants, thick socks, and sturdy boots or closed-toe shoes to reduce the risk of snake bites. Use a long stick or pole to probe areas where you cannot see clearly, such as tall grass or rocky crevices, before reaching in with your hands or feet. Be mindful around water sources. Snakes are often found near water sources, such as rivers, lakes, ponds, and marshes. Keep your yard, garden, and outdoor living spaces free of clutter, debris, and tall grass where snakes may hide. Store firewood, compost piles, and other potential snake habitats away from your home. Seal gaps and cracks in your home's foundation, walls, and doors to prevent snakes from entering indoor spaces. Keep a safe distance and avoid disturbing or provoking animals. Learn to identify local snake species and their habitats, behaviors, and venomous characteristics. Educate others, especially children, about snake safety and what to do in the event of a snake encounter. Familiarize yourself with first aid procedures for snake bites and seek medical attention immediately if bitten. By following these precautions and being aware of your surroundings, you can reduce the risk of snake bites and enjoy outdoor activities safely. Take a look at snake-human relationships. Snakes are more than just predators. They hold cultural and symbolic significance in societies around the world. From ancient mythology to modern folklore, snakes have been revered as symbols of fertility, rebirth, and wisdom, enriching human culture with their mystique and symbolism. Yet, beyond their cultural allure, snakes are subjects of scientific fascination, with their venom holding potential medical applications. But amidst the wonder and awe lies a sobering reality. Snakes face numerous threats to their survival. Habitat loss, illegal wildlife trade, and persecution pose grave risks to snake populations worldwide, endangering these essential guardians of biodiversity. Conservation challenges facing snakes are multifaceted and vary depending on the species and their habitats. Some of the significant conservation challenges include habitat loss and fragmentation, illegal wildlife trade, persecution and misunderstanding, climate change, invasive species, pollution and contamination, disease-limited research and funding. Fortunately, dedicated conservationists and communities are working tirelessly to protect snakes and their habitats, ensuring a future where these remarkable creatures can thrive. Join us in celebrating the wonders of snakes, guardians of biodiversity and stewards of our planet's natural heritage. Together, let us cherish and safeguard these magnificent creatures for generations to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal facts on Space for Nature. Together, let's make a difference. Thank you.